Hello and hi. Today we will present about project presentation is M&M's chocolate dispenser. This is our groupmate, me, Muhammad Iman, Afiq Wan, Muhammad Fikri and Muhammad Azim. This is our description project. First, to build food dispensing machine that dispense M&M's chocolate. Second, the machine only can dispense when the sensor detects the container at the dispensing area. Third, the chocolate will be dispensed when the green button has been pushed.
Next, we will go to the flowchart. First, we will begin with the starting point. Next, we will go to the decision making where emergency button is pressed. If true, it will stop all the progress. If false, a new process will occur where LCD screen will display. Please put a container in front of the ultrasonic sensor. Then another decision making happens where ultrasonic detects container less than 12 centimeter. If no, it will repeat to the earlier cycle. If yes, another process happen where LCD screen will display. Please press green button to dispense. Then another decision making where green button is pressed. If no, it will repeat to the previous process. If yes, another process will happen where LCD screen will display dispensing. Please wait. While another process also happen where it will delay 0.5 seconds for a servo motor to move to a 180-degree position to dispense the chocolate. After dispensing happens, servo motor move to its initial position.
This is our schematic design that we use for TS. For the bill of material, our project use Arduino Uno R3, backboard, resistor, push button, servo motor, ultrasonic sensor, LCD display, 9-volt adapter, backboard power module, and also the wires.
Now we move on with the GI. As you can see, this is the list box and graph that show the distance between the container and the ultrasonic sensor. When we push the read button, the list box and the graph will start reading. When we press close, it will stop the reading. This is the green button. When we press the green button and the condition distance is lower than 12 is met, it will dispense the chocolate. Also at this level, it will display motor is dispensing. Then this is the yellow button, which is one of the safety feature. When we press the yellow button, the motor will dispense the chocolate regardless of the distance, whether it is more than 12 or less than 12. As you can see, this is our process schematic. First, when we start, the ultrasonic sensor will scan the distance. In this case, it is 6 cm. And when press the green button, the motor will rotate to dispense the chocolate. First, we initiate the ultrasonic sensor. Then inside the loop, the first thing, the program will read whether the emergency button is pushed or not. If the condition is pushed, the code below will not run. And else, if the condition is not being pushed, the below code will run. So the first thing is it will read the serial from the GUI. In this case, if it detects C, yellow will be true. If else, it will false. So then if digital read safety, which is the physical yellow button is true, or yellow is true. Yellow is the yellow button inside the GUI, and then the machine will start dispense the chocolate regardless of the distance of the container. However, for the green button, this is for the green button, there is an extra condition, which is if the distance is below 12 cm, then the green button can be pushed and the chocolate will be dispensed. Next, we move on with the Visual Studio. The first thing, we start the serial port. Then we have a read button, which will start the timer that will start the list box and the chart. Then we have the close button, which will close the serial port. And then we also have green button, which is the green button inside the GUI. If the green button is pushed, the label will display motor is dispensing and the motor will dispense the chocolate. Also, we have the button one click. Button one here, in this case, is the yellow button inside the GUI. So if the yellow button is clicked, also same motor is dispensing will be labeled for 5 seconds, and then after the motor stop moving, motor is off, will display. So I'm going to demonstrate our project. First, when we start the machine, please put container is displayed at the LCD. Then when we press the emergency button, the machine will freeze and nothing will happen if you push the green button until we press the emergency button again, machine will start. We can use the physical green button to dispense the chocolate, but in this demonstration, I will show you by using the GUI. First, we press the read button to start the distance reading for the list box and the chart. So if the condition below, distance below 12 cm is met, then we can press green button, and then the label will show motor is dispensing while it dispenses the chocolate. So I will show you. When I press the green button inside the GUI, and the machine will dispense the chocolate. The next part, I will show you the yellow button inside the GUI. When we press the yellow button, the chocolate or the motor will dispense the chocolate regardless if there is container or not. Thank you for watching.